Hi, welcome back to AV Team Real Estate channel. I'm Antonio, a local real estate agent in the Toronto GTA area. Today, I would like to introduce to you a new project in prime downtown area, and this is 252 Church by Centrecourt. Not long ago, this project was launched just last week. For those that are interested on the price list and floor plans, feel free to contact me with the information below or book a call with me with the link in the description down below so that I could send you the details including the price list and the floor plans on all the details. So what is so attractive in this location? Let's go dive in where the location is for this project. If you look at the map here, it is right in the intersection of Church and Dundas. Immediately right across is one of the main campus in Ryerson University, and as a proud alumni of Ryerson University myself, you could quickly picture that this is a great location for university students. It is literally less than 300 meters away from the most busiest intersection of downtown Toronto. It is literally less than 300 meters away from the most busiest intersection and iconic of downtown Toronto in Dundas Square. And of course, the Eaton Centre is just around the south corner. In terms of location, I don't think you could ask for more. Just to name a few, this is the center of almost everything you can think of in downtown. You are basically doorsteps to two main 24-hour streetcar lines in Dundas and Queen Street that connect you to subway in minutes. You could easily go to U of T and to the entertainment district, including the Rogers Centre, Scotiabank Arena, CN Tower, and much more. And of course, this area has the perfect walk score. Let's take a closer look at 252 Church now. This is a 681 unit high-rise condominium. Centrecourt is well known for constructing outstanding high-rises in the downtown area. Just a few examples in the same vicinity, this property is about half a street south of 199 Church Street, which launched last year. Access Condo was developed in 2019. It is located near Church and College, to the north of this project. And to the east, we could find Prime Condo that was introduced a year back. Centrecourt is a well-known, reputable developer that is well known for creating non-wasted layouts that are ideal for investors. They're also well known for having very little downtime between periods of occupancy. And just last year, they ranked 11th for the fastest growing company in Canada and listed by Atlas Group as market leader in the GTA with total sales over last 12 months of more than 1,200 units. One prime reason why this is such a good investment, let's deep dive to the price per square feet in the immediate area. Putting that in perspective, recent projects such as Cielo near Bloor Street, they were roughly around 2,000 per square foot. And Centrecourt projects that were launched in the past 2 years, the average price per square foot is approximately about 1,800 and above. Another project in 33 Yorkville, which was 2,200 per square foot. To summarize, recent project in the area would be easily north of 1800s. In 252 Church, the average unit size is between 290 square feet to 721 square feet. As previously mentioned, this is a very practical layout and unit size where purchase price could still be relatively low, and it is actually could be as low as 1600s per square feet. That means it is lower than the average of 1800s per square feet. Let's look at this unit as an example. This one bedroom unit with 455 square feet is going for 722,000, which translates to 1,586 per square feet. It is a great price point to get into this downtown market. This just assures you that if it returns to our present average of 1,800 per square feet, you will be profitable in the future. Here is a quick view of the amenities you will find in this project. As you can see, in addition to the 24-hour concierge service and automated parcel storage, they have the up-to-date fitness center, cardio, weight training, yoga, and specially designed Peloton lounge. And very modern co-working space are for many young professionals in the area. Toronto is the second largest financial center in North America. For matter of fact, Toronto is projected more than 316,000 new jobs in downtown Toronto by 2041 and created 240,000 of tech jobs, an increase of 52% over the past 5 years, in which also third largest tech talent market in North America, according to CBRE. Just take a look for yourself. Big tech companies are silently coming to this downtown Toronto area to open many offices space. The likes of Google, Amazon, Reddit, Netflix, DoorDash, TikTok, etc. You see, there are plenty of growth opportunity in this area. Here's another quick fact about the Ryerson University, right across this building. Current enrollment sits at 47,000 plus students and only 1,144 beds. Just put in perspective, it is 47,000 students. It requires 70 buildings of the size of this project to house a 46,000 students living off campus. You could imagine how big is the demand in this area. Another benefit of this building is that when you take a look at the south view of this building, you will notice that you will encounter St. Michael's Cathedral Basilica. This is a historic heritage protected building, meaning that it can't be redeveloped for any high-rise building. Knowing that, then you will be safe to have any new pre-construction that could potentially block your view. Lastly, wanted to mention that this project and building, it was approved before the inclusionary zoning policy. That means there will be no affordable housing in this building. For those that are not aware of the affordable housing policy, this policy will secure 5 to 10% of the condominium developments over minimum unit threshold, as affordable housing increasing to 8% to 22% by 2030. In the city policy, rents and ownership prices will be based on proposed new income-based definition of affordable housing, targeting households with an annual income of between $32,000 and $91,000. So what does this inclusionary zoning policy actually mean for building purchasers? My guess is that the developer would not absorb the entire cost of this affordable housing and that it will be added to the building's purchase price indirectly. To put it another way, this might be one of the reasons why the condominium price is expected to rise this year. One huge benefit of this building, as I said before, is that it will not be included in the affordable housing policy, which will avoid one issue before the policy takes effect. I hope you understand more about this project, and if you are interested to get the price list and floor plans, don't forget to leave a comment below or contact me directly at 416-836-8987 or book a call with me with the link in the description down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.